Hello children, welcome to Social Science. Last week we studied solar system inner planets. Today we are going to learn solar system outer planets. There are 4 outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The first outer planet, Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is third brightest object in the night sky after Moon and Venus. It is fastest spinning planet in the solar system. It is called gaseous giant planet. Its atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium, like the Sun. It has the largest number of satellites. Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto are few largest satellites of Jupiter. Next, Saturn, the ringed planet. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. Saturn has many rings around it. These rings are huge and are mostly made up of ice, rocks, and dust particles. Saturn has 62 natural satellites around it. Next, Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It was the first to be discovered with a telescope. It rotates on its axis from east to west like Venus. Uranus has 27 natural satellites. Titania is the largest natural satellite. Next, Neptune, the coldest planet. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun. There are strong winds in the planet. It has 14 natural satellites. Triton is the largest satellite. Because of its distance from the Sun, Neptune is one of the coldest planet in the solar system. Along with these 8 planets, we have some dwarf planets in our solar system. Dwarf planets are nothing but small celestial bodies found beyond the planet Neptune. Children, these 4 outer planets, generally they are gaseous planets. Next, the Moon, Earth's satellite. The Moon is the Earth's only satellite. It revolves around the Earth once in every 27 days and 8 hours. It takes about the same time for it to complete on rotation around its axis. Children, our solar system composed of planets along with celestial bodies like asteroids, comets, meteoroids. Let us study them. Asteroids. Asteroids are small solid objects that move around the Sun. They are found as a belt between Mars and Jupiter. They are also called planetoids or minor planets. Next, comets. A comet is a celestial object made up of a head and a tail. The head of a comet consists of solid particles held together by ice, and the tail is made up of gases. Next, meteors and meteorites. A meteor is a stone-like or metallic body. When enter into the Earth's atmosphere, most of them burn. They are also known as shooting stars. Meteors which strikes the Earth surface are called meteorites. Children, the next important thing in this lesson is Sun appears in the east in the morning. overhead in the afternoon and in the west in the evening. This is because of the constant moving of the earth or a particular point of earth. This movement of earth is called rotation. What is rotation? Rotation is the spinning movement of the earth on its axis. Children, we know earth is spherical in shape. It rotates from west to east, that is anti-clockwise. It takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds to complete one rotation. The time taken by the earth to complete one rotation is called a day. Rotation of earth causes day and night. The illuminated portion of the earth experiences day, whereas the darkened part of the earth experiences night. Next, revolution of earth. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun on its elliptical path. The earth takes 360 by 1 by 4th days for it to complete one revolution. These 365 days are nothing but 1 year. It revolves around the sun at a speed of 30 km per second. For the sake of convenience, we take it as 365 days and call it a year. The remaining quarter day is added once in every 4 years in the month of February. That is why February has 29 days once in 4 years. This is called leap year. Next, sphere of Earth. Earth has three major components: lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Lithosphere. The lithosphere is the land on which we live. It is the solid outer layer of the earth consisting rocks and solids. Next, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere consists of water bodies. For example, oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ice caps on mountains, and water vapor in the atmosphere. Next, atmosphere. Atmosphere is the envelope of air that surrounds the earth. Different types of the gases make up the atmosphere. The components are nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, other gases 1%. Children, today we have studied 4 outer planets and a rotation revolution of earth and also 3 main components of earth. Okay children, study well, take care.